Hello everyone. Uh, okay, we have a data set in front of us, and my today's video is based on analyzing this data. So, when we prepare interactive dashboards, we try to inculcate charts, we try to inculcate summarized data on that dashboards for management to make decisions for the business. Say, for example, there are almost now 360 plus records, and now I want to present this in front of management so that they can have a proper understanding of the business. Columns are there are order numbers, bill date, city, salesperson, product name, and revenue. One of the best medium of communicating any information is through charts. So let us prepare a dashboard with the help of charts and using a very powerful tool of pivot, that is slicers. Let us see how can we combine charts and slicers together to make a very interactive dashboard. What I'm doing is, let me just make a pivot. I am preparing a pivot where I am having an information which is month-wise revenues. So this is month-wise revenues. But again, numbers are very confusing. So let us make a chart of this. You can use any chart. So say for example, I use this bar diagram. Okay. So this is month-wise data. Same way what I can do is, let me make one more pivot, and this I want city-wise revenues. So same thing, revenues will be exactly same. Okay. Only this time the data is presented in city form. So let me make chart for this also. Okay. I'm not discussing what, but there are various option tools for charts, how you can make this. So if you want numbers, yes, this is what you can do. On total like this, you can do like this. So you can use a number. I'm doing this, for example, just to make it more clear. This is city wise. You can use a different form of chart. You can use a different form of presentation. I have no problem with that. If you want to change the color, you can even change it. So, like, for example, I've taken this. Now, I want to give flexibility to management to check this information not only city-wise and month-wise, but they can play around with these charts by understanding through salesperson and product name. How I can do that? Say, for example, I make a dashboard. I copy this chart over here. Okay, I copy this chart over here. Same way, this is city wise. Same way, I copy chart of month wise also and bring it to the dashboard. Okay. Now, what I can do is, if I want to give flexibility to management to check this data, they want to analyze it through salesperson. What I can do is, you can insert a slicer. I'm inserting two slicers. One is salesperson, another one is product name. How these slices work, I will tell. So yeah, these are there in front of me. One is salesperson, another one is product name. Okay. Now, say for example, if the management wants to check the sales of bread, for example. So yeah, these are the sales of bread. But if you check only one graph is changing, the second graph is still the same what it was. It is not showing you the sales of bread month wise, it is showing you total sales. I don't want this. I want that when I click on bread, it should give me bread sales month wise also and city wise also. So I am changing it a bit. This you can do here in pivot chart analyze. You have filter connection. You need to ensure that both the check boxes are checked. Okay. Now let us see. If I present this, let me change the background to make it more vibrant. Yeah. Okay. Actually, you have a very big product name list. So, okay. For example, now if I want to see sales of same bread, now you see both the charts have changed. It is showing you city-wise information as to which city is contributing for the sales of bread, and it is showing you month-wise information also. So you can get the sales of bread, and even you will understand that bread sales is done by only these two salespersons. Now from this also I want to check for Magna. I click on this. Yeah, it is giving me sales done by Magna. I remove this. I want to see what is the sales done by Kunal. So yeah, Kunal works in Kolkata. He has done this sales, and these are his values month wise. So he's selling brown rice, chocolate, Coke, and there can be few products also. No, these three. So he is selling these all things. Say for example, I want to see chocolate sell. So yeah, chocolate sell is this, and this is month wise. Okay, you can do multi-select also. You want to check for say for example Kunal, and I say I want multi-select. So Kunal and Rahul. I want for these both. So these two combined together, they work in Kolkata, Mumbai, Nagpur, and these are the sales done, and these are the products in which the sales are done by these two salespersons. From this, I want to see the sales done of cake, for example. So this is what it is. You can play around, management can play around and get this data. So this becomes very handy for making decisions. Slices, I've used pivot table, I've used charts, and I have used slices to make this simple and interactive. Thank you.